Mr. Busquito and umpire Mr.
Dapat di sila pupunta sa harap.
Ay, mauna pa sila. Mauna sila.
Ito ka, ano, dumaan niya ka, putang na hindi na.
Our official
Ano, sabi ka din, sabi ka na.
score firm, Mr. Rudy.
Sabi ka na, sabi ka na.
Official time giver, myself.
Kapag Bangladesh na daw? Wala na. Ano nga, nag-step na Bangladesh.
Yes!
Bali na lang.
Captain Paul Fabiango. Very good, Jans.
Last Jumatan tabok ah.
Tayo nga last eh.
Wala, sorry.
Okay, please. Insert your jersey,
Paningin ko,
please.
may hirap ko. Ha?
Okay, that's done. And insert your jersey. Both players. Number 4, Lucky, always.
Maganda to.
Okay. Jump ball between number 4 Higdalisi and Campbell. Yes, first point, Kita. Number 10, 5 and the down. Battle for the rebound, pick up by number 61, 85. Number 18, easy 2 points. Okay, maganda. Start ng Yambo. No. Last one. Number 4, number 8 now, pass. Number 17, Bison. Number 10, Ashbull. Ang ganda ng magana. 2-1-6-7 in the race. Nakuha ko number 65. Pass to number 25. This will pick up by number 4 now. Number 4, Alves. Ashbull Alves. Pass to number 18. Wala pa kanyang butas. 15 over shot clock. Long pass to Tigdalisi. Back to number 85. 10 to shoot. Number 35. Don't hesitate. Tingin lang. Bakit ko lang lang. Ikaw po Bison in 17. Long pass number 8. Yes, 2 points. First point of the full game, 24-8 to number 8. Takbong mo yan. Number 8. Number 80 na. Next move by Tina. Umikot. Tigdalisi. Use ball. Pick up by Tina. Long pass number 17. Jason Bago, number 8. Opakante. Pinasa. Ay! This time. Bago. Ayan na. First lead up of the full game. minutes and 13 minutes line. 14 on the lane. That's one versus Shayman Ball. First hit that. 15 on the shot. Alves. 10 to shoot. Alves now. Bounce pass to Tigdalisi. Loose ball. 5 to get that. We have 4 on the shot clock. 4 on the shot clock. 4 on the shot clock. Okay. 8. Number 18. First personal foul. First team. Number 8. Now pass to number 17. Pull up jumper. Bang! Yeah. We score 6 scores. Naman po ng galawa ang Nemo. Qualified number 4. Hindi makalusot. Wow, pass. Lagi pata sa kontra. 15 on the shot clock. 15 on the shot clock. Wita, pass to Alves. But 8 pass to number 24. Pull up jumper 5 on the left side. 3 points. Number 18. Yan, 1.76. That's up to 1 point. Janko with 8 minutes and 30 time. Official score 9-6-3 points lead. Much. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Magpalit na kayo. Huwag na kayo magpalit ng mukha. Hindi magpalit ng player. Okay. Okay, back to the game. Our timeout was brought to you by Mother's Love. Okay. Number 16 is the ball back number 4. Okay, 9-6 official score. 7 minutes and 4 minutes remaining. First quarter for the break now. Good for the man. Good for the man. 15 on the shot clock. Pull up the first. Number 11, first point. Number 11. 11-6. 5 points na pull on. Okay, pull up numbers. Number 10. Ay, wala yung rebound. Wala yung rebound. Ayaw, wala yung rebound. Total rebound. Ando lang yung medyo malaki ang bantay. On pass, wala mang ginagawa. Pass to CC. CC now, pass to Gabriel. 15 on the shot clock. 1-1 by number 15. Nakalusyon! Medyo mahina ang pakot pa kaibigan. 7 minutes for the line. 11-6. In favor of a National. 15 on the shot clock. Guarded by number 8. Napulat ka po number 8. Number 5. Number 5. Pass nila pa rin. Tumira. Using the guy. Rebound number 16. Number 16. Pass number 16. Number 18. Number 18. Hindi kaya makakampi. Pass number 18. Number 18 now. 15 on the shot clock. Number 18 now. Nakakita lang putas. Pass number 25. 10 to shoot. 1-1 by number 16. Pull up your pool. Rebound by number 17. Number 8 now. Almost close the wall. Covered by number 11. Nagmamadali. Iiwanan number 11. Relax. Stay home with the rest. Number 10. Pass number 8. Pull up over from the down. Challenge. Rebound by number 85. Number 85. Nagmamadali. Alam lang kung kayo sa kumito. Steal. Almost steal. Bakit natin? Number 85. 8-13-6. Yes, tayo po tayo nakaupos. Ayan, we have 5 minutes and 15. Medyo mabilis po ang mga mangyari. Nagsisikis po ang kanya. 15 on the shot clock. Pass number 66-5 from the downtown. 3 point. Official score 13-9. 5 minutes and 37. First quarter. Maganda po. Para walang movement. Nakulitin kita. Almost sa television. Kamusta na ng Bruno Kusing Lara. Ito may naman siya kanina sa laban ng ulan. Nakalikuran. Muti-muti ka na po. Taas lang ng 10. Number 10 na ulan. Susunod ba sa tumira sa parking lot na kaibigan. Rebound by number 66. Tinina. Rebound by number 85. Nakalapas siya ng pupuan. Hindi naman ay nakalusot na kaibigan. Number 85 pass. Number 11. Ay hindi makayo ang ulan. Double right pass. Number 66. Number 4 na pass. Number 8 na. Nakalapas siya number 16. One wide behind the back. 15 on the shot clock. Number 66 now. Signal na pa. Makasok na downtown. Rebound by number 10. Ayan po. Matawagan po. Okay. Sabi ko siya, marami po sa lab. Okay. Pasok. Official score, 13-9 in favor of Nasron. Pasok. Okay. 15 on the center. Season 1-1. Ah, nakatembaga. Divina. Just a 1 point. 30-12. That's a lead 1 point. Wow, what a play. That shot was number 2. Number 8 now. Sikwan. Pass to Alves. 1-1. Oh, natapik ko na kayo. Shot clock. 16 on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. Number 16. Back to number 11. Tumira. This time the good place to be cast. Number 85. Wait up. Using the gas for 2 points. 15 to 12. Official score 3 minutes. 35. Number 2. Pass on number 17. Ay! Alam na alam siya number. Alam na alam siya number. Oh, nakalimutan kayo tawagan. Sa ilalim ito. Sa ilang foul, you say number 17 is the first personal foul. Second thing. Substitution? Subject? Okay. Okay. Wala. Go. 15-12. 15 on shot clock. Quick up. Back to number 17. Ang sinanong kapatahan. Ang ganda ng pagkakakaligan. Hindi kumito. Rebound number 10. Pass to number 17. 3 minutes 4 Jason out. Ang ganda ng bantay. Pass to number 13. Assistant makaibigan. Nagsadalawang isip. Nakuha ng rebound. Substitution. Okay, may palitan ko tayo. May substitution tayo. We have 2 minutes and 30 remaining time. Official score 15-12. That's runs with 3 points in. Nice move! Bang, bang, bang! Number 85. Wita. What? 17-12. Lamang po ng 5. Number 47. Napapasok lang back. Number 5. Number 2. Number 9. Number 29. Wala. Umambay naman yung 5. Kaso number 4. Alves. Alves now. Hindi makalusot. Mas higpit ang bantay. Almost close the ball. Okay. Wow. Foul. Number 47. Pushing foul. Number 47. First personal foul. 30 foul. 1 minute and 56. A minute and 56. Second with 12. Alves. Ando pa rin ba? They can't get wala. Good. Declarate. Rebound by number 9. 10 and 45. 17-12. Naman po ng naman. Ang jump pass ng number 47. Tumira. From the downtown. Halogan. Bato po rin ba? Rebound by number 10. Medyo malaki. Ang batay. Hello. May natawagan po tayo. By whistle power. Jersey number 16. Substitution. A minute and 30. 17-12 naman pa rin ang Lancers with 5 points. 15 on the shot clock. Almost number 10. Ay, hindi mo naman sa mga waist. Ay, ang hirap. Kung kay hirap, 1 minute and 16. We can now. Nagawa na po ng foul. Foul using number 99. First personal foul, 14 foul. Okay, 13 foul, a minute and 19. Okay, official score, 9-12, with 1 minute and 9. A minute and 9 na sa first person para sa tao kanina. Jason, pass number 47. 5 on the big line. Number 1. Pick up by Jonas. Jonas, ay! Ayan na. Pamadali. Number 8, si Pida. Ang ganda ng pass sa ilalim. Number 16, pass pass to Alves. Alves now, umikot, wala makitang pasahan. Pick up the ball. Out of position. Lights all. 41 seconds. 19-12. Number 47. Number 47. Pass decision. Nakagay. Wala rebound by number 8. 27 seconds. Gita. Pass to Alves. Alves. Shoot. Rebound by Gita. Gita. Nakawalan ng foul. A foul committed number 99. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Wala pa ito penalty. 19 seconds. Shot. Substitution. 19 seconds. Shot clock is off. Dignarisi from the free line. Shot. Yeah, 14 seconds for the play. We have 12 seconds. Takbo oras po tayo. 5. It's the end of our first quarter business score, 19-14. First quarter. Maganda po ang takbo ng laban sa lugar. Starting up for second quarter. Dark ball. Dark ball. Lagi Dark. Okay. Starting on for second quarter. Rita. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Napapasok pala. First kick from the bench. Number 21. Official score. 21. 47 points. Second quarter na tayo. Number 66, from the bench. Tiga by number 10. Natawagan ng foul. Natawagan sa ilalim. Who started by Jose number 21. First personal foul. First kick out. 21-14 official score. 2 free throw by number 10. Wale. Set ready for the round. Okay, pick up by number 4. Sa kanila pa rin ang control ng bola. Got in by number 10. Hindi mo mga pakaibigan. Rebound by Take the Dice. Take the Dice now. Pick up by number 11. What a play. Oh, number 51. Ay, di pasa. Sila pa rin nagpapasama kaibigan. Shot clock out to 10. Wala. One by number 15. Back to number 10. Control home. Number 417. Number 317. There's a whistle. Basket count. And one. Basket count foul and jersey number 11. First personal foul. Second foul. 2 free throw. Bonus free throw. To make a 3-point play. Possible 3-point play. Ready for rebound. In and out. Rebound by Dignarisi. Dignarisi na pass ng Rita. Rita na nakalusot. Akala pa sila mag-play. Papunta sa labas. Official score 21, 14 points, 9 Natsman lead 7 points. Yan, 60-21, 5 na natin. Sorry, this is also correct po. 18 dollars, okay. Okay, official. 18-21. Okay. Pumasok ka lang tapos straight. Okay, team the DJ. Dahil ka namin, dito may goalfish. Alas mo mo rin. Hindi makakawa ka bola. 9 minutes and 48. 21-18. Wait lang, pull up jumper. And rebound by number 15. Loose ball, pick up by number 4, pass ball number 66. Number 67, nakarapan sila ng Twitter. Pass number 10, lumasing kita, pass number 8. Balik sa kanya. Pinakawa ko kanila. Rebound, ay, yun, isa mo. Pick up by number 15. Pinakawa. Number 11, ang control ball. Number 11, pass to Twitter. Labang po sila ng tato. Kamanda na tawagan po ng foul. Who stole it? Wearing jersey number 4. First personal foul. First foul. 2 free throw awarded by number 85 Vita. Unang tira, pasok 22-18. We have 24-18. Okay, back to the game, 24-18.
Nagagala ng bucket sila. Relax na.
Okay, back to the we have 8 minutes and 40 time, 24-86 points. Natsman, number 4. Ang ganda ng banggaan. Hoy, nakawa na. Foul representing number 16. Number 16, Machado. First personal foul, third. A second personal foul, 30. Unang tira by number 4, 19-24. Yes, sir. Number 4. Okay. Pumasok po dalawa. 24-20. Apat na po alamang ng Dark Natsman team. Ang sarap po sabi kahit nag-uwi. Ngayon, 15 na siya na. Alves, magunuan by number 17. Almost susubo. Wala siya for from the top and short. Para to shoot! Medyo malakas ang tira. Number 4. Pass to number 17. Ano? Pass to number 20. What? Medyo malakas! 8 minutes. Ang ganda Alves. Using the glass for 2 points. 26-20. Hindi pa naman ang muna. Sigaw ang ganda. Ayan po mga kaibigan. 26-20. Almost lost the ball. Ayan! Number 8 na Panso. Bangkas number 17. Ay! Balik na ng pito sa dali. Palakas po. Ayan, si Pina. Bangkas! Malit! Hindi ba makasuhan na? Iba talaga magsunod sa number 17. Jason ay dumasagot na. Pakidire-diretso. Ay! Malakas ka na. Iba pa ito. May natawag na lang. Tingnan lang. Foul number 8. Substitution. Number 8, first personal foul, 14. Okay, 22-26, apat na yan. 10 to shoot. Ay, sure! Rebound by number 16. Anak, wala sunod si natin! Iba! May natawagan ng foul, oh. Tama po. Foul number 19. First personal foul, second. 3 minutes and 30. 3 minutes and 30. 6 minutes and 30. Albert. Oy, nasunod. Nasunod yung program. 15 na siya wala. Ay! Miscommunication. Dalawa na lang po yan. 6 minutes na lang po tayo. Napakalaki na po kayo sa second quarter. Natawagan foul. Foul jersey number 47. Second personal foul for third. 26-24, 5 minutes and 56. Si Pina, rebound na. 3 points! Ayan, pumasok po ang kilangin number 8, si Vida. 29-24, 5 minutes and 40.
Kumain ka dyan. Kumain ka dyan.
47 as for rebound. 15 for shot clock. Pass to number 17. Tumusot po ang temporary using the glass. Double back to rebound. Number 85, picked up by number 5. Pass to number 18. Number 4. Albert Drifted. Ang ganda ng pagkatuot. Number 4, Beso de Bata. Short clear, yeah, number 60. Pass to number 4. Napas to number 21. Pass to number 16. 1-1. Dito malaki. Kung ano po ba tapos ng muli? Nasa po. Masarap po na kapag sa ilan number 4. Dito malaki. Basket count. Ayan po. 29-26. Lamang na rin po lang natin ito. Ang nasa pass sa Alvarez. Basket count Alvarez. 35-26. Mayroon pa? Wala na po. Wala na po tayo.
Ito muna.
Okay, number 7, Jason. Carried by number 8. Ansot, may natawagan ng foul. Teka lang. Foul, well, jersey number 8. Substitution. Penalty na po tayo. Second personal foul, number 8. Divida, penalty. With 4 minutes and 35 minutes. Official score 31-26, 5 points. Net. Okay, pasok. Okay, 2 bedroom. 2 bonus bedroom number 7. Yeah. 31, 26, 4 minutes and 35. Second row, waiting for rebound. Nasa second quarter pa lang po tayo mga kaibigan. Wala. Alay! Ano talaga hindi naghihintay? Diretso! Ay, pasakot! May puting banggaan mga kaibigan. Paso na po 18, Gabriel. Luis Hermano. Nakakapang 15 ulit siya. Gabriel, hindi na madali. Lumusok na kaibigan. Ay! Hindi ko na ito madali lang. Number 2 na ang Luis ang madali. Lamang po mga kaibigan ng National Grid 5 points, 31-26, 15 on the shot clock, captain by number 30. Nakalabas si Dictalisi, wala makalusot, hindi makatusok na shot clock down to 10. Nabagyan niya sa malakas. Ay, paglalagyan niya sa ano dati. Sayang. Ayan po, back to make Dignarisi. Pass to number 30. Shot knock down.
Uy!
Substitution. Kanto. May time pa kayo. Nasa, gamitin nyo. Hindi nyo yung gamit bukas. Ay! Biglang tumira sa Mr. Lucas. Kaso, ay, Dignarisi almost logbook. Take up by number 18 Gabriel. 15 on the shot clock. Gabriel now to and to shoot. Vinny takes it out.
Basket! Ay,
Foul number 10, first personal foul. Warning or penalty with 2 minutes. Johnson! Not Johnson. 2 minutes and 58 the remaining time. 31-28. Warning for penalty.
gusto ka na?
First personal foul.
Gusto ka na? Picture pa ako. Kailangan ko mag-picture. Makawaan.
Chicken burger. Hindi yan, daddy. Oh, yan, daddy. Oo nga, pero hindi chicken, ha? Nagkalat ka pa dyan.
Okay, that's the movie.
Pa din po.
We have 2 minutes and 55 remaining time. 31-28 on that touch with 3 points. Lumabas pa kanina.
Sino player mo? Default ko? Hindi nga.
Over to by number 87. Okay, walang free throw in this.
Sayang. Sayang naman.
Second throw. Bato po rebound. We have 2 minutes and 55 remaining time. Is pa rin.
Wala kayong player?
Okay. Laban pa rin ang tatlo ang Nazrati. Guard. Ayan, 1 points. And to shoot, Judas Elena. Wow. Kung number 3, kasarap ang pwede. Walang makita.
Yan.
Ayan, pasto number 85, diretso. Ang ganda ng pagkana.
5-1. Basket down.
Last foul, basket yung foul number 30. Number 30, nasa penalty na foul natin. First personal foul. Both teams are now in the penalty with 2 minutes and 19.
Ayun. Ang cellphone ko na. Picture na.
Sayang naman.
Bonus play to make a possible 3-point run.
Dalawang beses na.
Yes, 3-point play, number 85. We have 2 minutes and 15. Lamang na tumahaligan ng agin. Okay, pass to number 10. Bakante, 6.9. Ano naman na? 15 on the shot clock. Pass to number 2. Number 2 pull up, jump from the down shot up. Ibang may number 16 pass to number 85. Number 85 na 1-1. Nakalisot, dire-diretso. Pull up, kain by number 11. Medyo nakakatira. Ibang by number 10. 2 minutes. Number 30. Both teams na sa penalty to Median. Oy, nakapik! Ipag-plastic na people yan. Pass ang Perkin. Oy, nakuha! Okay. Okay, ito ba na ito? 1 minute and 33. Substitution. Tawag, pasok. Number 8 out. Pumasok po si Mr. Alvarez.
Hindi, malaki. Hindi, okay lang sa'yo na yun. No problem.
26 points. Number 8, pass to 99. Pass to Jason, number 17. With a all around rebound of Dignarisi. Pass to number 85, Buita. Buita nagpapandek. Talagang diniretso Buita. Kaya kami ng 36-28. Lumubag kami ng 1 minute to 10. Number 8, pass to number 10. Karabat, tumiyak. Ay po sa lakas. Rebound. Pick up by number 16. Pass to number 18. Gabriel. Buita. Easy to point. Ayan po mga kaibigan.
Umupo na, 10. 10 points lead.
55 seconds. Wala. Lubos. By number 10. Double team. Ano yung double team? Talaga naman pilit mga kaibigan. Wala mo na wala. Ayan mo Mr. Gabriel. Nasa labas si Mr. Judas.
Ay!
Foul versus 899. Step personal foul penalty. Both teams.
Paano mo naman nalaman?
Event time. 37.
Paano mo nalaman?
38 to 28. Yes.
Uy, steady mo kasi. Gusto mo yung cellphone naman?
Two free throw. Penalty. Gabriel.
Ay! Wala eh.
Kapitan.
Anong quarter? Second quarter, 27 seconds. 28-38.
Ayan na. Second row, ready for rebound. Basket down. Ayan po, 39-28.
39-20.
39-28, lamang po ng 11. Now there, pass number 17. Number 7 back to number 10. Nasa free throw line. Back to the rebound. Back by number 8. 24 shot clock and game clock.
Nice shot.
O, nakakampulan. Ito si Tepika. 15 shot clock and game clock.
Raw.
Yan! Why may nabang naman? Kampulan.
Wait.
Tinapit. With 5 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds more. Shot clock and game clock.
Tira.
Number 8.
Ah!
Wow!
Foul counted.
Bonus free throw with 1 second. Okay. Bonus free throw.
Umabi.
Second personal foul, number 17. Penalty. Bonus free throw. 1 second left. Okay, 1 second. It's the end.
End of second
Okay,
quarter.
official score 42-28.
42-28.
It's the end of our first half, second quarter. Our halftime break. Wow! Thank you very much sa mga ating coaching.
Teka muna eh. Kapag tayo.
Yung pagbati ng pako.
Eh, wala pa yung merienda natin ah. Nauna na kayo ah.
Wala lang.
Okay, starting up the third quarter. Okay, lights on. Starting the third quarter. Number 66, back to season. Use ball. Pass to number 4, Alves. Basket down. 44-28. Point. Ayan na po.
Go.
Number 21. Number 21, Miranda. Pass to number 11.
Nice.
Ay, ito ay pumunta pala. Wow. 46-28.
Teka lang, Dad. Okay na ka lang.
Gagamitin ko pang camera yung cellphone.
Okay lang. Ilang na ba? Ah, pwede na yan.
Number 66, basket down. 30-46-16.
16-point lead.
16, no?
Oo, 16. Lumabo.
Okay, sa kanilang ba? Sila naman. Kick out to number 4. Alves, 60 to shoot. Loose ball, pick up by number 8. Number 11. Second personal foul, first.
French fries.
46-30, 16 points. Nasa 6th quarter po tayo. Sa ilang
Sino pumasok? Mataas.
Kaso, Wita na kaso, 50% ang case, kaso 11. Sorry na natin! Iba talaga pagkarapan, wala na pinabola. Nagpasa 14. Bakante, easy to.
Ano lang? Isip ko. Ay!
Ang sagot.
Wala.
Sino ba labang?
May itim.
Ah,
Itim.
Wala Armel.
Nakalusot si Tita. Ibang pula ko si Tita. Titingin niya si Nare. Ayaw po number 15.
Yan na.
Paso na pa rin. Hindi ko malakagalang. Paso na ba si 15?
Nice! Wala.
34-46. We have 9 minutes number 11. Pass to Peralta. Number 21. Dalawang isip. Pass to Alves.
Sure, ha?
Giving screen by number 1. Then
Second from this morning.
Tumira. Matira yan. Rebound by number 21 Peralta. Tuhay, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 17. Lopa by number 16. Wala. Kanya pa rin. Susadulas. Clap your hands. Ayan na. 48-34 naman pa rin nagka-post ni mga Diyos. Number 8.
Grabe.
Hindi na nalong isip tumira sa record niya.
Nice.
37-48 and 11 points. 8 minutes 40. Number 8. Walang bantay. 4-2. Ang gusto dito si. Ito na papahilang mo ni Sir Rafael ang back number 11. Number 15. Rochelle Tap. Number captain by Miranda. 10 to shoot. Pass to Tiglanese. Pass captain by number natawagan po. Ang foul committed very number 15. Substitution. Pass up. First personal foul. Second. Substitution. First personal foul. Number 15. Second.
Hindi maaga pa naman yun. Parang ulan dati.
Number 8. Medyo malakas.
Ay! Ah!
Number 8. Holding foul. Number 8. Third personal foul. Second foul.
Score 48-37. Naman, dark.
so,
8 minutes, we have 4 minutes gone by of our third quarter. 48-37 points. Time to shoot!
Oo.
Kunting ingat lang po. Tiga lang. Most forward, foul. Number 16. Substitution, number 16. Third personal foul. 30 foul. Okay. The average shooting, we have 2 people awarded by number 4. Ah! 48-27, lamang sa 11 points, Nazran Darty. Second to ready for rebound. After count, 48-38, tampung na lang.
Sampo.
Number 8, pass to Tiglanese. Tiglanese na harapan. Number 2, pass to Alves. 15 on the shot. Cutting. Almost close to the captain. Number 2, number 8. Okay, 10 pa rin. 7 minutes. 15 on shot clock. Ito, back to the net.
Ay, ay, ay.
Foul number 4, illegal foul, illegal lagging.
Illegal ano? Illegal lang.
With 6 minutes and 55. Official score 50-40. Number 4,
Nag-time out.
Alves. First personal foul.
40,
Running
50.
for penalty. Nice.
10.
Okay, control tayo. Control. Landing spot of the idea.
Ha? Andyan no yung malaki. Ha? Hindi nga. Eh. Bakit naman? Sayang naman.
Okay, may dalawa.
Asa na yung tab? Ano kayo? Ano kayo? Ano yung pangalan mo? Tabuk. Asa na yung mga taga-tabuk? Asa na yung mga taga-tabuk? Bumaba na.
Okay, number 8.
Bumaba na yung mga taga-tabuk. At ngayon may laro. Third quarter na.
Ganun talaga. Walang pakain yung piba eh.
Kaya nga eh. Joke lang, joke.
Sapa. Ay, sala. Okay.
Manirayan na wala
Victor
na.
inbound. Wala. Landing spot. Okay. Okay, ready? 6 minutes, 55.
Mga taga-tabuk, nasaan na?
Walang parin na. Tira, number 46, bakit nga mahigit? Ay, bakit nga talaga? Okay, talagang na.
Ay!
Ayan po, number 18. Pass to the field. Number 2, number 18. Nakuha Alves. Alves almost lose the ball. Okay. Alves na tayo ang kanya. 15 on the shot clock. Alves na kalusot ulikot. Nakawagan foul. Nakawagan po ng foul scorer. Position number 2. First personal foul. 30 foul. Sabda. Sabda. Okay, two free throw number 4. Alves. Down. All of tira, nagkatis.
Anong quarter? Third quarter, ano? Third quarter, 6 minutes.
So, 51, 40, 6 minutes, 24. Okay. Back to the game, number 15, shot clock, number 2, captain pass, number 8, 10 to shoot, pass to number 5, kinabali, ay! 8 on the shot clock, 8. We have 8 on the shot clock.
Pero,
Rebound by number 10. Ulikot ay oras. 89. Ayan, number 81. Number 18, Gabriel. Bakit ba? Gabriel. 53-40. Oh, meron ba? Takot pa kayo naman. Okay. Ayan na. Ang ganda ng ikot. Hindi na bitawan.
nabitawan.
Easy level. Grabe naman ito. Pass na ako si Sharon.
Ay!
Johnson! With 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Official score,
Tapos mo?
50-40.
Alam na this.
Anong alam na this?
Alin na alam na din.
Kami natin sa kaibigan.
Ito si Tito Gary ah. Tatlo na kayo.
Wala, nahihilo daw si
Ah! Tito Gary, may hilo ka?
Ikot
gamot pa tayo.
Ha?
Sabi ko, dapat umikot ka din sa laro para mawala yung ikot ng karin.
Mayroon na, baka bigla tayo pumunta dyan eh.
taga-Tabuk, nasaan na?
Yung kapatid ni Versosa. Trangkaso yun, last 3 days. Kagagaling lang, naglaro bigla. Yung kapatid ni Versosa. Nalaro kami sa Saudi Diesel dati. Nasize ng umaga. Dalawang balik lang, mismo sa gitna. Tungkol pa. Sino arrival lang.
Dahan-dahan. Hipad mo, Daddy. Yan pala naman eh. Wala, kadala-dala. Kadala-dala. Wala, kadala-dala. Laro pa more. Tuon-to na lang daw kayo. Ang laro. Tuon-to. Dalawa kayo.
Si Makaumbang.
Ang sarap. Alam mo na ka ng player kila Jonas.
Makaumbang oh.
Alvarez, short. Diba? Sino kaya? Still. Dark basketball. Ready? Alvarez ito. Pass to Kuita. Ang control Kuita. Oh, like criminal. Okay, mga kaibigan, we have 4 minutes and 42 minutes.
41-55.
Calvin!
15 on shot clock. But environment is the king of
Tara. Tapos, up.
Patay!
Patay, ayan na.
Number 85, long pass to Alves, number 4. Alves to number 8. Bakit out?
Ayan nga.
With 16 points, 4 minutes.
Iwan na lang daw kayo ni Louie. Daddy. 1-on-1 half court.
Tibia. Back to number 8.
Masa?
Ay!
Alves. Pass to number 18, Gabriel. Basketball foul, number 19. First person.
Wala.
Second personal foul.
Kadala-dala.
World for penalty. Also, we can take one play. Umiko. Hindi na pinagandala. 61-21, correct? With 3 minutes and 45 remaining time.
61-41.
Long pass to number 10. Bisa mo nagkak na kay Eda Iniwala. Basket. Ang Iniwala na. Hindi na naman niya. Ayan, 61-43. Okay, 3 minutes and 28. 15 on the shot clock. Alves. Alves na pass to number Gita. Wala. Rebound with number 19. Dapat pasok na siya ng kaibigan.
Ay!
Pass to number 10. 1-1. Dire-diretso mga kaibigan. Ang ganda!
Gra.
Problema kasi naman, nilalaro pa.
Number 8, fourth personal foul, running for foul.
Ha? Number 8, sino nga?
3 minutes and 5 minutes.
Winning na siya.
43 fish score, 18 points. Okay, rebound.
Akin na yun nandyan sa baba. Short. Daddy, nasa ako yung
Okay, Gabriel, naman po sila
Pinasok na.
18 points.
18.
Okay, Gabriel. Relax. 15 on the shot clock. Gabriel, baka pass na ba si Steve?
Ayun lang.
Ayan po ba kaibigan? Sakto, 20 points. 2 minutes and 45. 15 on the shot clock. Nasa harapan si Andres. 10 to shoot. Diretso. Wala. Rebound. Pasa. Andres.
2 minutes. Third quarter. 65-43.
Nasa third quarter pa po tayo kay Mama. 2 minutes and 1 minute.
Battle ko. Meron. Parang uulan.
Okay, back to William. We have 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes and 20. Lamang po ng 20 points.
Malamig pa nga naman.
65-43. Nasa third quarter pa lang tayo.
Animal Crossing ako kanina.
15 on the shot clock. Nice pick by number 6. Back to the rebound.
Ay!
Watson.
Good. Hindi naman yung hawakan.
Gizon. Number 66. Dumiretso.
Wow!
Ayan po, 67. 20 pa pa rin. Medyo malaki-laki pa rin ang hapon ulit. 1 minute! 15 on the shot clock. Gita. Ay, nasutot! Take the shoot!
Tara!
Ay, nakuha ni Jonas. All around number 66. Basket count. 40 seconds. 49-67. 18 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. 30 seconds more. Oh, kaibigan. Okay, delivery of the pass to number 66.
Akala ko lalabas na.
Kaya,
Okay, technical foul, number 4. Number 4, second personal foul. Okay, technical foul po. Technical foul. We have 9 seconds remaining time. 67, 51. Jesus, okay. 52-67, 9 seconds remaining time.
Ano nga yun? Panalo nyo nga eh.
Technical po, technical. Wala po sa penalty. May foul ba dyan? Wala pa penalty.
Walang foul, wala.
Wala pong foul kasi 9 seconds. Okay, running time po tayo mga kaibigan. Is there on third quarter, 67,
end of third.
50.
67-52.
Okay, it's the end of the third quarter. Coming up next, we're going to have 15. Okay.
Tabok versus Tabok.
Kubar and Damam.
Kubar and Damam na.
Delikado sila dyan. Fourth personal na siya.
Okay, we're actually starting up for fourth and final quarter. This is score the end of the third
Carter.
Okay, ready? Foul number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. First. Alves. Umikot si Alves mga kaibigan. Guard by Jason. Higit ang guard niya. Tumira po siya for 69-52. Ang ganda naman ng tagiging ni Mr. Alves. Tapi
Start?
ayan dito! Kapitán! Number 85. Tutuloy. Nagmamuli. Nagmamuli. Bakante Babel. 5-4. Umiwan. Bakante! Kalawang number 85. Ayan ang mga 71-52. 90 points. Kami ako isigatin. Basketball. Double team. Ang ganda kami. Alves. Nasa gilid 15 on the shot clock. Now, look for the one to Mira. Ang ganda kami sa game is 2 end. That end is out. Out of bounds. Last touch. 14 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Ayun! Wala. Nagmamadali. Parang may lakad yata. Again, number 66. Pass to number 13. 1-1. Number 13. Number 8. Mahigpit ang bala. Ikot ang with reducing number 21. First team foul. Number 21. Second personal foul. First team foul. Yeah. 9 minutes, 9 and 14. Number 10. Sabla natin. Ay, banglaan. May show. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 10.
Ay!
Ang punto ng rebound. Sabi mo din rin. No extra movement. No extra movement. Number 21. Third personal foul. Number 21. Second team foul. Third personal foul. Number 21. Second team foul. 9 minutes, 33. 71-50. Ayan, number 16. Pass to the ball. Then, shoot. Ang nagaling ba? May banggaan. Easy to is number 10. Number 56-75. Lamang oras. Lamang tayo. 9 minutes and 10. 9 minutes and 10. Wila. Give it to Sina Belay. Pass to Tigadi. Sigakan by Alves. Alves tumira sa likod. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 66. May pinababay. Pinababay. Nakuha number 8. Kaya number 8. Pass it away. Basket ang number 17. Season. Wow. We have 8 minutes and 15. 71-58. Lamang pa po ang number team. Ayan, dapat ang 22 points pa kayo. Shot at down to 5. Wala pa rin. Dito rin siya nakakalitan. Ayan na, number 78. Pasok. Ay! Alam ni Alves. Bakang-baka na yung 1-1. Umikot! Ang natawanan yung foul. Foul. Let's see number 10. Second personal foul. Sabi ko siya. Second personal foul, number 10. Second team. Pasok po. Pasok po tayo. Official score, 71-58. Okay na lang yan. Mabot ng 22 points. 8 minutes and 98. 8 minutes 98. Okay, through for through by number 85. Give that. Okay, 73.
Maaga nga.
Kaya ito mo.
Andun ka na ang duruting.
Nakagam na sa dagdag.
Oo, last. Maaga pa naman.
Ay! Ako dito ah. It's okay, that's data. I'll put your ano here, your drink here. Oh,
Ano yung sando?
tingin ka. Ayun na.
Number 8, 60, 75, 50, 7 minutes. More like 7 minutes. Excellent right now.
Which one?
Okay.
The?
50 on the shuffle.
That one?
South to push up.
Don't want this na? You don't want this na? Ha? You don't want this na?
Okay.
O, tignan mo yan. Next time, hindi na kita ibabay ng ano.
75, 60.
Next time, hindi na kita ibabay ng
60,
ano.
75. 6 minutes and 24.
Sayang kaya.
50 on the shuffle. Number 8, Sikita. For 6 minutes, more like 6 minutes. 77, 60, 77. Ano ang alabaw? Ayan po. Rebound. Oy, nasundo. Ako nagkakuha ng Rolingi. Napapasok pa na po. Number 8, nakapasok ang top short. Tumambay, Hikadisi. Hikadisi, doon na sa Tumama po. Tumama po sa yung one hole. 5 minutes, 45 minutes. 60, 77. Sumiyak. Ayaw. Ganyan pa sila. Ay! Pinitigilin pa niya ang kapila.
Okay.
Sipina, nasa laban, pass to Ikasiano. 50 on the shot, Ikasiano no pass to Sipina. Time to shoot. Inaanap si Pita ng kaibigan, loose ball. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 na mamadali. Sapan. Ito, wala ka bumaba. Ay! 5 minutes. South to shoot. Kachula. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes and 7. 7. Captain by number 19. Easy 2 points. 62. 7, 50 points. 5 minutes more play. 5 minutes. Gita. Kung hindi pa nakapasok mo iba, papasukan natin. Gita, 1 point number 8. Umikot, talang diretso. Ang ganda ng ikot, ano na nawatin, get out. 10 to shoot, 10 to shoot.
Amen.
Najwa with 4 minutes and 37 minutes time. 77, 64.
77-62.
Okay, both teams, you have 1
Kainit na, no?
usual time pricing. Official score 77 against 62, 15 points. 4 8 and 37 seconds remaining.
Oh.
Coming up next, second game. Yeah, wala nang hit. Kubang versus Damang.
Kubang.
After that, we have 2 minutes and 37 remaining time. 77, 60. Okay.
Wala default data. Aga. Default ka.
Aga pa eh. 7:15 ata nakalagay eh.
Ah, 7. Nice! Nice!
Gabriel. Time to shoot.
Yeah. Yan yun.
Okay. Paano na po kayo? Run mo kayo ba?
Okay.
Foul number 19.
19. Basket count.
Third personal foul.
10.
Lianbo with 3 minutes and 9. Official score 79-69. 3 minutes 9. 79-69. Okay, after ball game. Bonus free throw, possible 3-point play. 69-79. Mahalo pa rin oras. Okay, possible 3-point play. Okay, pumasok. 18-69.
Ay!
And the shoes. Take it easy from the downtown. Look up. Walo na lang yan. 8 points. Number 10. Almost to
Nice!
Ayan na. 82-72.
Teka, hindi aabutin.
We are now approaching to the last 2 minutes in the quarter. 2 minutes in the 8.
Wala yan.
Substitution. Tawad.
82-72, 10. Mamang ang ano, but,
Okay, paglalabas ng kumit, payo pa kayo. Good games, payo kayo. One time. Ayan po mga kaibigan. 10 points, 82-72. Good games, wala pa sa penalty na nagiging. Sa penalty. Medyo matipid sila sa foul sa fourth quarter.
basta yun po sinabi niya 3,000.
Okay, back to the long game. We have 2 minutes and 8 to 8 time.
Apa.
Big foul. Number 11.
Hindi pa uso.
Number 16. Stay on the line. Last 2 minutes. What's the minute? Was it brought to you by Alto?
Oo nga.
Lucas, number 8. Captain number 8. Number 10. Oh, shoot! Rebound by number 9. Okay, meron lang kayo na ang ganda na pasahan. Basket count, 84-72. 1 minute and 40. Ang Pundis wala pa sa pinapin. Tumira sa number 66. Rebound by number 10. What? May nakataan ang nakam. Oh, who's going to take number 85. Second personal ball. Third.
Siyempre, pag may ibang...
Seven. Sure. 1 minute and
Oo, siyempre sakto, di ba?
32. 2 free throws.
Siyempre, June pa yung bayan.
Out of 20 counting. 1 minute and 32, 84, 72. Both games, 3 team fouls pa lang.
Nahulog!
Pagkamahal sa baka mabukas, hindi malas sa bus. Second to the last one, ready for you. We have 1 minute and 34 game time. Wala ko eh. 1 minute and 30.
1 minute, 28 seconds. Fourth quarter.
15 on shot clock.
84-72.
Alves, and shoot! Gita, Bobo. 14 to shoot. 10. 1 minute left. 5.
Hello, shopping.
Shot clock permission, shot clock. 52 seconds.
Ay!
74, 84, 46 seconds. Big foul. Foul number 17. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 43 seconds for the foul.
Parang black yung nakita kong dalawa. Nagulat ako kung iba yung...
Penalty.
Like tayo, di ba?
Number 8.
Nakala ko kasi black yung nadala. Ah, nadalaga. Manit.
Number 11.
Makakalaro ba sila agad? Hindi, nasa Riyadh sila kagabi ah. Nakabalik ka ba?
Nalilink lang.
Foul by number 4.
Mike?
Maabot ng touch.
Walang yung wala. Rebound for 11.
Sino ba kalaban ko yun?
30
Louis.
seconds part of the downtown.
Derek Navarrete.
77. 28 seconds for the fight.
Oo,
77. Oh, quick foul. Foul number 4. Penalty.
Gigigit kita. Matutuwa
Okay, sa
yung
score.
pagka sila nila namin. Kaya lang sila ate Hailey.
27
Carlos
seconds.
Garmin.
Ayaw, kasi yung banda niya nga.
3
Ang dami nila.
seconds difference between shot clock and
Alin?
27 seconds. 2 free throws.
Si Sherman.
85, 87.
Saan ba si Sherman?
Wala pa po sa penalty.
Apat. Isa niya ba? Apat. Apo mamaya, after ng game. Okay. Opo, nasa isa kami.
27 seconds.
Thank you po.
Twenty. 15 on shot clock. Final ka lang down.
Wow! Grabe naman. Nakailang minutes na yun.
Okay. Lima lang.
5 lang.
13 seconds. Oh, penalty lang kasi.
Penalty. 5 na lang.
13 seconds more time. Okay, ito pakita na.
Daddy.
680, 13 seconds.
Daddy.
Bayan, namin naman.
Iyan mo na nga yan. I-dispose mo.
Okay.